time frame. So let's say, I don't know, I think most people, sometimes we bring water with us in the car, and we have to say a blessing before we drink the water. And then the after blessing, how do I put this? When we should say it after we finish drinking the bottle of water, or should we say it after, I don't know, maybe you forgot it in the car or something? I don't know, how does that work? I don't know if you understand me.
Yes, I mean, I'm perfectly clear. Thank you. So let's say, right, the person went to his car in the morning, put the bottle of water, and he's drinking, he's driving around, and even like he has few stops, he goes out to the bathroom, even comes back, bought stuff, and continue driving, let's say on a road trip. So this bottle of water, it's covered, right? It's not considered that he changed his location. Right, when you go from your house to the street and you cross the street, it is a change of location. But in your car and you have intention to come back, it's not change of location. So the question is if you're allowed to say the after blessing. Let's say your road trip was I don't know, 3 hours. Let's say, right, and all of the 3 hours you were drinking this bottle of water. So let's say you drink every like 10 minutes. Little sip. So the question is if you drank it, let's in this 9 minutes. So we're going by the lenience. This 3.1 ounce. So if you drank only small sips, you're not most likely that you did not drink. So even though you finished the whole bottle, but because of the time span, because of 3 hours, so you would not need to say any blessing. And not only you're not allowed to say any blessing. And if person says the blessing just in case, it's going to be blessing in vain. So we have to be very careful. So what I would suggest, if you want to say the blessing, so make one big drink, what is it, 3 ounce, I don't know how much is in the bottle, like this, for example, in a period of 9 minutes, and that's it. And you can say after blessing. And you can say after blessing after you finish. Okay. Any other questions?
So Rabbi, oh my bad, sorry. So let's say in the morning, so let's say, I think most people, they come for their coffee, but you know those days that some coffees have that they have like the opening space in the hole so you're able to sip on it?
Okay.
Is that considered covered technically or no?
Covered? You mean you're talking about covered drinks? This dangerous of uncovering drinks? That's what you're saying, or no?
You know when you're drinking coffee, like some plastic cups, they have
yes,
like this cover.
I understand, but what is the purpose of your question? I don't understand. Okay, I understand. So
since you're moving place to place, right? Correct. Is that considered? Because you said something that it's supposed to be like when you go from place to place, since the bottle of water is covered, it's not like you moved anywhere, correct?
I apologize. When I say covered, I mean the cover, like the blessing is going to cover the whole bottle of water that you drank during these 3 hours. That's what I meant. Sorry, I was not clear.
Okay. Thank you.